Capitalization of super profit and capitalization of average profit. So in capitalization of super profit, the 4 steps are same to find out super profit, and then you have to find out goodwill, that is super profit into 100 upon NRR. Don't mix it with this one. Okay, normal profit is capital employed into NRR upon 100, and here for finding out goodwill, we have to use the formula super profit into 100 upon NRR. And capitalization method, as I have given you, the first is finding out the average profit, the next is capitalized value. Okay, use the formula to find out the capitalized value. Then net asset, goodwill is equals to capitalized value minus net asset. Okay, so this is all the methods which is there in the calculation of goodwill. Now let us do some adjustments. Even if you see with each and every sums, that is if first and second is simple sums based on calculation of average profit method, then third and fourth sums will be related to some adjustment. Okay, the adjustment is given in particular here only. So what happened, the student get confused regarding doing the sums which are with adjustments. Now students, in order to do the adjustment sums, the first is stock, second is abnormal profit or loss, third is normal expense or income, and the fourth is non-recurring expenses or income. Now let us see how to find out normal business profit. If there is any adjustment in any of the year, it is always related to these things: stock, or either abnormal profit or loss, or any normal expenses or income, or it is non-recurring expenses or income. So what we will do? While calculating like stock, so the adjustment is always related to overvaluation of closing stock or undervaluation of opening stock. So what happens, students, here? In overvaluation of closing stock and undervaluation of opening stock, the gross profit, the net profit is shown higher. So in order to get the normal business profit, we need to deduct it. Okay, so whenever we are calculating, okay, that is we have to calculate goodwill, so we have to derive to the normal business profit. So for knowing the normal business profit, overvaluation of closing stock and undervaluation of opening stock need to be deducted in order to get the normal business profit. Okay, so this is the point number 1. Now moving on to the point number 2. As it is overvaluation of closing stock and undervaluation of opening stock, similarly the next will be opposite one. It is overvaluation, so this is undervaluation, and the effect will be also opposite. You have to add it. Okay, now these two are done. These two are related to stock, which I told you that whatever adjustments are related, it is related to stock. So stock, these adjustments are related. Any adjustments, okay, so you can easily do it, like overvaluation of closing stock. इसमें हो क्या रहा है? Overvaluation of closing stock, gross profit is shown higher, net profit is shown higher. So that's why we have to, in order to get the normal business profit, you have to deduct it. Similarly, opposite for undervaluation of closing stock. Now moving on to the third one, abnormal losses. Okay, any abnormal losses like sale on loss on sale of fixed assets and all that will be added. Abnormal income, if this will be added, this will be deducted. Now whatever effect you are going for abnormal losses and abnormal income, it will be same for this two also. For 5th and 6th, normal expenses like insurance premium, all that will be deducted and normal income will be added. Whatever non-recurring expenses are there will be added, okay, and non-recurring income will be deducted. So this is how we are going to do all the adjustments which are given in the chapter. So this is the total brief I have given you, the revision of goodwill, nature and its valuation. Okay, hopefully you all have understood, and the sums which we have already done during Zoom classes. Okay, keep on practicing the sum, and hopefully you all have understood. And one thing I will suggest you again, if you want to practice any sums, you can do any sums, no doubt, but you should know all the formulas properly. Unless you don't know the formulas, how will you practice the sums? Okay, so for making the practice, you have to know the formulas. The three methods which are given for the calculation of goodwill, and I have shown you regarding any adjustment. When you just keep 4 points in your mind for any adjustments, okay, sometimes they give you directly only. There is abnormal profit, there is like in the first year there is abnormal profit, there is abnormal loss. So if there is abnormal profit, you have to just see here abnormal profit. If there is a abnormal profit, so what you are going to do? See, it has to be deducted. If there is abnormal loss, what you will do? You will add it in that particular year only, and rest of the step will remain same. So this is what we have to do for adjustment. For any adjustment, keep 4 points in your mind: stock, abnormal profit and loss, normal profit and loss, non-recurring expenses and income. This is what you have to keep in mind while doing the sum. It is already been given to you. Okay, for today, and we will continue with the revision of admissions and whatever formulas which I have given you, the 5 different cases for 5 different cases for calculation of short sums, which we will revise in the next video, and we will continue with the admissions long sums through Zoom app also, and wherever required I will send you the videos also. Thank you.